What's up, y'all? It's Matt with Family Tradition Farms. Hey, it's corn shelling day. We've worked tirelessly to get the old 6620 Titan 2 switched over to corn. That way we can shell our field this year. Finally that time. Corn's ready to go behind me. We got the gravity wagons drugged down. We got the combine pretty close to ready to go. We're gonna pull into the field and we'll get started. Well, it's a long walk back to the combine. Got to park the wagon down on that end because we almost got hung up down here. Just a whole lot of chaff and stuff on top. Truck was spinning out, but we're gonna keep it back here, keep it on the lane. I gotta walk all the way down to the combine. I don't know who the hell parked so far away, but we got one load shelled off. That was a hard one, funky corners. Now we're into the big section, long straight rows. Combine's doing pretty good. Clean samples, good spread. I'm real happy with the guys, so I'm gonna climb back in the 6620 and we're gonna get back at it. That's a load. That's a load. We're just chugging right along here, shelling out the corn. Dad's over there on the road. Barely see him. He's hauling a very loaded wagon right over there to the bin. We're putting corn in the small bin there. I'm gonna stay hammered down and keep shelling corn while he dumps. Hopefully by the time he gets back, we're ready to unload again. Corn is, it's decent. It's not great by any means. This is what we call white ground, white dirt. It's not real nutrient efficient. It just kind of is what it is. Well, she's full. We are, look how close this is, right here. Yeah, I couldn't make it another like 10 foot, honestly. I got lucky I made it to the end of the row. we're still waiting on Dad to get back with the wagon. I can see him from here. He's just about empty, so I'm just gonna wait here. He'll come pulling up, kick the auger out, we'll get unloaded, and then get back after it. Every year nowadays, it seems like it's what we would call an odd year. But this year, right now I'm running through replant corn. So this is planted almost a month later after everything else. You can see it's a lot taller than the other stuff. And it's yielding way better than what the regular stuff is. Working about perfect timing wise. I've got a full tank. I'm pulling back up to the top of the hill here, that way we can load on the lane, because all this out here gets kind of slick. Wouldn't you know it, here comes Dad coming down the road with the truck and the wagon. So we've got this guy sitting here just in case Dad runs into problems. That way I can still keep running, but we'd rather not use it. The lift mechanisms, it needs some work, so hopefully we don't have to use it. But we're getting down to the short rows, guys. Then we've got another 2 acres to knock out here, and we will be done with corn. You can really see a height difference in the first planting versus the second planting. And that replant got tall. Got me again. The dreaded row shame. What happens when you miscount your 6 rows, you take 5 instead of 6. Yeah, so we got me. 1 pass, dreaded row shame, 1 at a time. We're almost done. Just got a little bit to go right up there. Looky there. It got dark on us. But that's alright. We got lights. We are almost done, guys. I got about 4 more passes left, and then we are done with corn 2023. It's a little after 7 o'clock. I got to work tomorrow, but we're already running, so it's shelling good. We're going to go ahead and push on, get it whipped, and take the combine back down to the shop and call her quits. So we're almost done, guys. Hang around a little bit longer. This is it. Last pass of corn 2023. It's been a very long day. I am tired. I am fixing to get to the end of this road, shut the combine down, head to the house, and take a shower. Guys, I appreciate you sticking around with me as we get the field corn shelled here at Family Tradition Farms. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe subscribe button, and don't forget to like the channel. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.